Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghost Games Hospital map. This is a cooperative survival horror experience where you and up to 4 friends find yourselves trapped in a haunted hospital. Your main objective as a survivor is to escape this eerie place by repairing a broken-down van. It's a race against time and a terrifying ghost. To successfully escape the hospital, you must locate several crucial items. These include 4 wheels, a car battery, a fuel canister, and the car key. The car key is often found within a locked box that requires a lockpick to open. Additionally, 3 distinct colored keys, green, blue, and red, are scattered throughout the map, each opening a specific locked room that may contain other necessary items. Navigating the hospital safely is key to survival. Always explore thoroughly to find items, but stay alert. If your flashlight begins to flicker, it signals a ghost's presence, so be ready to hide or run. Some players use salt to create a temporary barrier, slowing the ghost down. Sticking together in smaller groups can also increase your chances of survival against the lurking entities. Victory is achieved when all survivors successfully repair the van and drive it out of the hospital. Effective teamwork is incredibly important. Sharing item locations and reviving teammates who are down can make all the difference. Remember, one player can also take on the role of the ghost, actively hunting the survivors and preventing their escape, adding another layer of challenge to the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.